मेरे प्यारे बच्चों नमस्ते. Today I am going to read your class 4th English Marigold Unit 8 Part 1 Books. Please open your book, keep the finger on the words and try to read with me. Read and learn this poem. Read and learn this poem. Books. Come in, come in. Shut the library door. I opened it wide and saw books galore. Tall, skinny books up high on the shelves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book. What a wonderful book. Now please open page number 139. Please open page number 139. Let us start. Let us read and enjoy. Going to buy a book. Going to buy a book. One day grandfather gave my brother. One day grandfather gave my brother and me some money. And me some money. Go and buy books, he said. Go and buy books, he said. We were both very happy. We were both very happy. We both love to read. We both love to read. Should we go now? Should we go now? Should we go later? Should we go later? Should we go today? Should we go today? Should we go tomorrow? Should we go tomorrow? We decided to go right now. We decided to go right now. Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the small shop? Should we go to the small shop? Should we go with somebody? Should we go with somebody? Should we go alone? Should we go alone? We decided to go to the small shop. We decided to go to the small shop. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. We like the small bookshop. We like the small bookshop. It is small, but it has many books. It is small, but it has many books. The man in the shop likes us. The man in the shop likes us. He always helps us. He always helps us. Should I buy a book with lot of pictures? Should I buy a book with a lot of pictures? Should I buy a book with a lot of stories? Should I buy a book with a lot of stories? Should I buy a thin book? Should I buy a thin book? I could not decide. I could not decide. I could not decide. We did not know which book to buy. The man in the shop smiled at us. The man in the shop smiled at us. Relax, come with me, he said. These books are about animals. These books are about animals. These books are about machines. Those over there are about wars. Take what you want. Take what you want. Take what you want. I picked some books. My brother picked some books. I sat on the floor. He sat on the chair. And we read. It was very quiet. There was no sound. 1 hour passed. 2 hours passed. Finally, we know which books to buy. Finally we knew. K-N-E-W, knew. Finally we knew which books to buy. The man in the bookshop smiled at us. I got a fat book with many stories. My brother got a big book with many pictures. We ran home to our grandfather. We ran home to our grandfather. We climbed on his bed. He put his arms around us. And then we read and read. This poem is written by Rukmini Banerjee. Now please, my little children, read it carefully. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.